Students, as you know, we are studying lesson number 2, number work. In the previous session, we have studied 6-digit numbers. Today, we are going to focus on 7-digit numbers. Dear students, now I am telling you one story. Amit lost his job and therefore he decided to start a new business with 3 of his friends. Very soon they achieved a great success and each of the partner deposited 3 lakhs rupees in the bank account. Can you tell me then how much is the total amount deposited in the bank? Children, to find out this value, we need to multiply 3 lakh by 4. So, let us start multiplication. Here I have written 3 lakh, which we are going to multiply by 4. So, what will happen over here? 400, 400, 400, 400. Likewise, we will get 0 till this place, and then 4 3s are 12 is there. Now, if you will see this last answer, you will find that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are formed in this number. So, children, this is nothing but the 10 lakhs place. We have learned till now units place, tens place, 100 place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs, and this is the 7th place, which is 10 lakhs over here. So what is the answer we have got? That is 12 lakh. This become a 7-digit number. So children, here you can see the lakh to 10 lakh place to the left of the lakhs place, and just as we read 1000 and 10,000 together, we are going to read this lakhs and 10 lakhs together. So this number is 1 and 2 we are going to read together. So this value becomes 12 lakhs. Now let us learn how to read a 7-digit number. Here you can see the first number. Let us count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, in this way we are going to read it 26 lakh 58,009. Second one, here this is 10 lakh 26,500. Let us see one more example. This is 54 lakh, as in this both places 0 is there, skip it, and then 281. In this way we read the 7-digit numbers. Now let us learn how to write a 7-digit number in words. Here is the first example in front of us. This is 19 lakh 52,364. Second example, 69 lakh, as there is 0 at 10,000's place, we have to write directly 2,471. Let us study one more example. Here this is 90 lakh 15,000, as again at 100's place 0 is there, directly we have to write 58 over here. So in this way children, we can write the 7-digit numbers in words. Now let us study how to write a 7-digit number in figures. Now children, here the numbers are given to us in words and we have to write them in figures. So here we have to consider the place values of the every number. So here, see here, this is the first example, 94,966. So we have to see the place name, place values of the digits which are given over here, and accordingly we are going to write the particular number. Second example, 51,64,823. So here you can see this is 51,64,823. In this way we have to write that number in the figure. Last example, 31,91,008. So here it is 31,91,008. Like this the number will appear. In this way, children, we can write the 7-digit number in figures. Children, now let us solve problem set 4. Question number 1. Read the numbers and write them in words. See children, here the number is given to us 25,79,899. So in this way we are going to read this number. I have also written it in the word. Second example, 30,70,500. Students, here I have also solved 6th, 9th and 12th example for you. This is 50 lakh. 9th one is 80 lakh and 1000. And the 12th one is 99 lakh 99,999. So children, in this way you are going to write these numbers. Let us solve question number 2. Given below are the deposits made in women's cooperative credit societies of some districts. Read those figures. So children, here you can see the name of the districts are given and the deposits which are made in those credit societies, that particular amounts are given to us. You are supposed to read these numbers correctly. So first one I am reading for you. In Pune district it is 94,29,408. Second, Nashik 61,07,187. And the third one in Nagpur 46,53,570. In this way you can read the 7-digit numbers, and also we have studied how to write 7-digit numbers in words as well as in figures.